All right. Heath finishing off the case. Woo, this one is full. There's a pretty fat one right in the middle. All right, to 99, Broadway Joe. I will say, though, this case, there has been an overwhelming number of rookie patch autos instead of just like plain jersey cards in the middle. There's only been one box with jerseys. Gronk to 25. Jersey relic. Dalvin and Travis Rudolph, number to 99. We'll come back to that guy and that guy. Number to 25, D.D. Westbrook. Rookie patch auto. Net. Holy mama, what a box. To 25 on the back, Marlon Mack. That must be a short print. Rookie book. Holy cow. This box is nuts. Okay. Let's start with this one. 1 of 2 Gerard Evans Nike logo auto rookie. 1 of 2. That's a purdy one. Next, man, this is tough. Technically, the one below here is kind of like the hot one. This one's just really cool. So I'll start with this one. 3 color 38 of 99. Deshaun Watson. Rookie patch auto. Bingo. Bingo. And this one's just cool. Mr. Biscuit, 24 of 25. Mitch Trubisky. Notable nicknames. Boom. Deshaun, Trubisky, and a Nike logo all hiding in the same box. Heath, there you have it, brother.